Now that we have performed some backups, now let's look at some different ways of recovering data. So I'm going to make my way to the Restore tab, and here you will see the last successful backup date and time. If I pull down that arrow, this is where we'll see all of our historical backups. On this lab server at the moment, we've only performed 3 backups. If I choose the first backup, which happened at 1506, an index is pulled from the Restore service, and what we should find is during that backup I only protected 3 files. If we then pull down and look at the very last successful backup at 1545, again an index is pulled back from our Restore service and then is loaded. This will then be a full representative of this system, how it looked at that particular date and time, because if you remember from the previous videos, we performed what we call full system backup. So in terms of restores, I can quite simply browse any of the files and folders on this server, choose some files, and then click right at the very top the Restore button. This will then ask me where to put those files. In this case, I'm going to restore them to a location on my C drive called Restores, and I'm also going to recreate the folder structure. If I show the advanced options, you can see I can choose to remove file and folder permissions. In this case, I'm just going to kick off a simple restore. There we have our first restore complete. So if we click on the OK button, and then if I make my way to a file explorer and look on the C drive, you'll see that there's a restore folder, and this is where it's recreated the folder structure for me. So if I go into C drive, my documents, test files, and there's the files I've just restored.